guys, DudeOfRock18 here with my girlfriend Ellie.
I'm holding an umbrella right now, I can't say hi.
Pokemonnarutofan10. Welcome everybody to a very special video. This is both me and Ellie's 3-year anniversary video. And as you can see by everything here, we are in Manhattan, New York City.
Yep.
And since we couldn't do a video on May 11th, it's actually being recorded on May 13th, 2017.
Because you were taking a test and I was working.
Yep. And once again, I am going to be taking her to some place where she has no idea.
I think I might have gotten an idea.
You might have gotten.
I might have. I could be completely wrong. If I'm right, I'm going to be like, I knew it!
Oh, maybe. All depends on that. And also, before we go, I have to show this because Trending Anywhere, the fidget spinner.
Boy's obsessed.
I'm telling you, no matter where I go, I see everybody with this fidget hand spinner, whatever it's called, and it's very addicting. So addicting that, oh, I should be doing the video. Is that what you're trying to tell me? Or are you gonna just play with it?
What? No.
Yeah, and it's actually raining, so what a day for it to be raining. But that's not so bad because we're walking in the rain.
Bye. No. No.
Yeah, so I'm gonna take the camera and then show you with the umbrella. Can I have my fidget spinner back, please?
Oh, you want a fidget spinner? No.
Yes.
I don't know about that. I don't know about that. Mine's better, by the way.
Oh yeah, let me see yours.
I'm stuck!
So yeah, yours is cooler.
Yeah, straight it is.
Yeah, okay. You could stop showing off now. So can I have mine?
You had one?
Alright, I guess then we'll just start walking.
They were both mine.
Oh, silly, silly. So, onwards to our destination in the rain. If I can find a button. There it is. Ah.
My stupid umbrella. And I hate this weather.
So, if I'm guessing right, I'm guessing it's that way. So,
42nd Street, one time up.
It's also cold.
yeah, it's a little bit cold, but not that bad. Ow, you poked me with the umbrella.
Get used to it. Not kidding.
Alright, so I think it's this way. If I could find it, hoping that it's the right way, it'll be this way. And if not, well, welcome to the tour of Manhattan, New York, starring DudeOfRock18 and Pokemonnarutofan10.
There's a big geek we went to.
Well, yeah, that's true. But we knew where we were going.
No, I knew where we were going. I took you.
Oh, you know where we're going, and hopefully the wind with umbrella malfunctions. I got it.
That was a piece of garbage.
Yeah, so let's continue on this way. I'm hoping it's the right way. Is it the right way? Let's see. Oh. What are you doing in a bottle?
Yeah, fuck you, man.
What are you doing there?
Fuck you.
So,
You'd abandon me because I can't walk towards over a puddle.
I think it's the other way. I'm not really too sure.
I don't know where you're going.
No, let's walk down one block this way, because I believe if we walk down one more block, it could be there. So yeah, 3 years. How did we do it?
You tell me. You tell me.
Well,
I love each other, duh.
well, love, well, I should hope so. That's one of them.
Oh wait, I thought we were just friends, man.
How could
I thought we were just friends.
Yeah, okay.
I didn't know I had to love you to be with you for 3 years.
Well, I never.
I love you.
I love you too. Alright, so... see, if we're not right, then I think we should walk down that way.
Make up your decision. We're either going towards Koreatown or going somewhere else.
Maybe we should walk downward this way?
Okay, not towards Koreatown now.
Yeah, so it's very hard to hold the camera while we're in the rain. First time vlogging actually in the rain.
Oh fuck, that feels nice. That was warm.
You're just like one of those movie stars that go under there and then they go, ooh.
No, that's when their skirt flies out. And then they're all like, oh, no.
Really? Okay, I'm gonna pretend I did not just hear that. Okay. So, I just don't know what words to say right now. Just, yeah. So, a city that never sleeps, especially when it rains. Oh, the surprise.
I have a feeling you're getting us lost.
I'm not getting us lost. I know this is the right way.
That's what you said before. Remember when we went over to my friend's house?
Oh, don't.
And it's like, oh, we have to keep going this way. Let me text him.
Well, it's not my fault.
It was right across the street. You were gonna have us go down 5 more blocks.
Only a block? Seriously, only a block?
No, like 5. Oh shit, there's a pool here?
A what? Oh, pool. Huh.
There's a pool here?
Well, it is a workout thing.
Oh. I thought it's one I could actually swim in.
Nah. Yeah. It's a great day to walk in the city of New York when it's nice. On May 11th it was so nice, and on the 13th it had to rain. Of all days. It was nice all week.
All week.
The sun was out.
Yesterday was cloudy though, so you knew it was gonna rain today.
I was like, no, you gotta be kidding me. Really? That's gonna be raining? And well, that's what happens.
You keep abandoning me and walking around people when I can't.
I'm trying to stay next to you, but
No, you're not. You're walking away
your
from me.
umbrella keeps hitting my umbrella. Hey!
I'll fight you, boy. I'll fight you.
To the umbrella death. Okay. I'm waiting for you.
No, you're not. You're walking.
Well, is that the way to get places? By walking?
Is that the way to treat your girlfriend of 3 years? By abandoning her?
Wait, how many years?
Fuck you. Fuck you, man.
Oh, come on. Where is it? Hey, look, Penn Station.
There's supposed to be a Krispy Kreme around here. Are we going to Krispy Kreme?
Well, I don't know. Maybe.
Go for some fucking cream donuts.
I think we should cross. So yeah, I'm gonna cut so we could save minutes on here.
Save
so
minutes and figure out where the f we're going.
we will know. Just hang
I
tight.
censored myself, but I've been cursing this whole time.
Yes, good job.
Fuck you.
Let's just.
Turn the camera off.
Yeah, we will get back to you when we get there. All right, we know where we're going.
He got us lost.
I did not.
We walked around in a circle.
We did not.
Yes, we did.
Well, you know, it's raining.
We're heading towards Koreatown now, so we went in the complete opposite direction. And around in a circle.
Oh, but when you see the face when you see where I'm taking you.
Going to be the I knew it face or an actual surprise face. So let's see.
Well, I can't tell you that. And what do you mean the I knew it phase? So Sorry for the wind. I'm trying to prevent
You need
it.
to get the fuzzies for your microphone on your camera.
I really should. You know, I gotta look into that. So,
Well, in the city, you might as well check to see if there are any camera stores or something around here.
yeah. Woo. Umbrella malfunction? But babe, oh, where? Oh wow.
You need to go film that.
Excuse me, so you're abandoning me now?
The guy was probably like, no filming.
Well, I'm filming.
Idiot, what if he didn't want to freaking be filmed?
I wasn't filming him. Thank you. Yeah, I wasn't filming him, I was filming the fidget spinners.
How does he know that?
I don't know.
Inconsiderate.
I am not.
Yes,
I
you
am
are.
not.
Yes, you are.
I am considerate. Aha.
Inconsiderate, you want to keep leaving me behind.
I see you, babe. I'm waiting for you.
Watch it. I hate everybody. You're the worst in the rain.
I'm vlogging in the rain. I'm vlogging.
You did not just do that to my face.
Vlogging.
I'm gonna shut it off.
Alright. Oop. Sorry. Alright. So, it should be to the next turn this way. And I'm definitely right this time. Because I am getting soaked, even with the umbrella, and bumping into you with the umbrella. Alright. Down this way. Let's see. Would you like to hold the camera so I could tell where we're going?
Oh god, I gotta hide the camera, we're getting wet.
So where am I taking my baby this year? Where am I taking her?
I don't know.
Where could be...
I fucking called it!
Where do you think I'm taking her?
I called it!
The Empire's...
Wait, just let me make this completely clear. We're going up. No wonder!
Yes, but I'm going to explain how this video is going to go. Okay, it's still raining on me. So in this Empire State Building, this is the first time both of us have been in this building, and it should be shame on me because I was born and raised in New York.
And you took a picture in front of it.
Oh yeah. So this is how we're gonna go. Each of us is going to choose one floor each. Well, we're gonna do 2 floors. Like you'll choose first because you're a lady. So you go first.
Like I know.
Then I'll choose second, and you'll choose third. I'll choose fourth, and then we'll save the best for last. Which is probably
Okay.
So let's take off our umbrellas.
I can't.
And you go first.
I can't.
Well, I'm a gentleman. I'm gonna let you go first.
Oh yeah, but you gotta undo your umbrella first, and I can't even get wet.
Thank you for the wet news. Alright, here we go.
You're the best.
So welcome everybody to the Empire State Building.
It smells nice in here. It smells like a freaking movie theater.
So wow. This is really nice in here. Alright, so let me
Now
just...
I understand why you... I made this as one of my guesses too. How dare you lie to me?
Well, I didn't want to, you know, like give it away. Now, why would I do that? Why would I do that?
You held such a straight face too after the camera turned off. It's like, are you sure you're not taking me to the Empire State Building? It's
Yeah.
like, no.
So what we're gonna do is we're gonna cut off here to get ourselves settled, and then we'll come back and explore the Empire State Building.
You're about to photobomb somebody.
Oh. See you guys there. Let's go.
Babe.
Yeah,
Babe.
What, babe?
Babe.
Oh, you're recording. Oh.
Uh-huh.
You see, why don't you tell me if they... So it's by the continuation to Empire State Building where we got the tickets.
Yeah, we got our tickets, but
there's a little bit of a problem.
Because it's raining outside, we can't go to the top floor.
So I guess we can do where there was the movies of An Affair to Remember and Sleepless in Seattle, which did take place in the Empire State.
We can do this again another day.
Yeah, but at least we'll get a little bit of a view. I don't know what floor, but
probably this closest top floor we'll get to.
I don't know. So yeah, so we're just gonna walk this way and look for an elevator somewhere where we can go up. I really like the wall setting and everything. Like the art.
Look.
What? Oh.
Of all the information.
Yeah, the Empire State Building is a really historic building. I think it's almost one of the tallest buildings
Bathroom.
in the world. Yeah. You have to go?
No.
Okay.
You gotta go?
Nope. And remember, don't wait to go.
Really? You watch TV too much with Tommy.
Well, he watches Disney and I mean, you know, it's very hard to...
Observatory.
Oh, observatories?
Yep.
What are you observing?
You?
Oh, me walking, of course. Alright. So, this is just walking. Around. I feel like we're in a maze.
That's practically what this is. Oh look, they blocked the window so no one can be all like, can we see yet?
Oh, swan move.
Hold on. I don't know what this is.
Alright, it's good. Here we go. You go have to smile together.
Come on.
Alright.
Got a shot of my crotch.
Oh, thank you. Wow, we got our own picture. Look at that.
Nice.
Well, we gotta go get the picture.
Yeah.
Save this photo ticket. Alright. So at least if we get our picture, we could probably try to thumbnail it.
That'd be something.
So we just gotta wear
Your
this
arm
long-
hurt. My arm hurts.
Oh.
Thank you.
And you're dressed nice, by the way. See? She dresses nice for the occasion. So yep. So this is the thing. The photo ticket. So we got 2 tickets now. One for the picture and one for viewing, I guess.
Oh, we could have bought the ticket ahead of time.
Oh. Oh well. Yep. So far it looks pretty good. It's just that I want to go on an elevator and explore the building. What?
Oh, it was up there.
Oh, that's...
That's kind of cool. That's probably what it's gonna look like, but with us.
Yeah. Sure, they get it when it's
Look.
not raining.
Everybody that gets a picture up there. That explains the big screen.
Yep. So as the line is going to keep moving, we're just going to get our picture. And then as we go through more of this puzzle maze, then we'll figure out...
Get your ticket ready.
I have my tickets. Don't need to remind me, Mrs. I record when I'm doing with this fidget spinner. You know, she knew I was doing something. She always does that.
Why would you
always.
be fidget spinning in a place that's already supposed to be amazing? That just means to you that a fidget spinner is more entertaining and more amazing than the Empire State Building. You know? I have to worry about you. I feel like my hair is standing up on end.
Oh, it's fine, babe. You're in the light, by the way.
Light is great.
Yeah. So they're gonna get the whole thing of the process of getting pictures. Well, it'll be a memory for us at least. Whoops, somebody dropped something. Alright. So let me hand our tickets, babe.
Hold on, me first.
Oh.
Hi guys, if someone would like to go up, no view upstairs.
We know.
I gotta tell you. This is the last call I'm telling you the customer again. Thanks.
Yeah, so where do we get our pictures? We just took a
When you
picture
come
of
down.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, you go to there.
Gotcha. Okay, thank you. Ooh, look at that. Oh. Alright, well I wanted to get that. Alright, so I guess we'll save the best for last when we show the pictures. So hang tight and we will continue onwards in the building. And ooh, look at that, they show downstairs. And we'll see what floor you're gonna choose first. She'll think about when she's in the elevator. Alright, well we'll see what happens. So, oh, thank you.
No buttons, the car goes on its own, the next stop is 80.
Okay, thank you.
Welcome to the world's most famous building, and you get to see it built. Keep your arms and legs inside and keep your eyes open. See those hot rivets flying through the air? Nice catch, Lou! Get those planks out of the way, huh? Oh, hey, watch it! We're coming up here! Hey, Bucky, you gonna ride that thing all day? Do something useful, will ya? All right, we're coming up to the 80th floor. You're headed to the top of the Empire State Building right here in the heart of New York City.
Wow, that was interesting. Yeah, my ears popped. Okay, so we might not be choosing floors after all. So, okay. Thank you. So we gotta take another elevator to the 86th floor. So,
Oh, you can see.
oh look, it says completion by May 1st, 1931.
Off by 13 days.
Alright, well, still. So, let's take a look outside. Actually, over here, babe. You can look over here. Whoa. Hey, I can see Madison Square Garden from here. Don't worry, babe. I'm here.
Hey,
So,
Freedom Tower?
no, that's not the one.
I thought it was. Holy fuck, we were really high up. Holy fuck, we were...
Yeah, this is 80 floors. Wow.
It's amazing, but I'm freaking. I feel like I'm about to fall.
Oh, don't worry, babe. You're inside a window. See?
That
Window.
doesn't make anything feel any
Window.
better, to be honest.
So I see Madison Square Garden, and I wonder if we can see the Javits Center.
Not here. Travis
Yeah.
Where?
Look on my camera, right down there.
Oh shit!
That's
I thought
where.
that was the... No.
That's New York Comic Con. Where it is, everybody.
Yeah.
That's
everybody got their tickets today.
awesome. Wow. So let's take a look this way a little bit.
Everyone looks like ants.
All right. We'll just. Wow, this is really cool.
And then where's the Freedom Tower?
I think it's the other way.
There's a window
Oh look,
down
there's
that
more
way.
windows. Yay, we can look more.
No, there's not supposed to be more windows.
Well, there is more windows.
Look.
Yeah, scale of the whole Empire State Building. Well, there's the Empire State Building. That's the other scales. Okay, let's look out this window. At least we get to see some of the buildings. That's not completely foggy. Wow.
Oh, good. I keep looking and then it freaks out, but...
Sorry if you can't see that far. Oh, they could. It's a little bit foggy out
What's
there.
over there?
What's
The
over
edge of
where?
Manhattan?
I think that's where
No, the edge of Manhattan's where
New Jersey is.
Seriously?
Yeah, you could see.
We get to see Hoboken? Do we get to see Cake Boys?
I guess, probably.
That'd be cool, actually, if you could. Oh, God.
Is that over there? Oh, no, it's not what I thought it was. Never mind.
Now renting.
Seriously, you could see that far?
No, look, on top of the building. Now renting. A big fucking sign.
Where?
Zoom.
Oh, that one.
You're welcome.
Wait, I'm supposed to say thank you?
You know.
Alright, so
That's amazing view.
let's keep going.
That gold stands out in this weather.
Yeah, wow, this is just
There's more
amazing.
history stuff over there.
Yeah, we want to look out here? Oh, thank you. So this everybody is all New York City. Like, just wow. Like, I am really amazed at like all this. Alright. So I think that's all we could see out there. So you want to look more of the history?
Yeah.
So here's steel. History there.
I have everything written in the things.
Yeah.
From when they did it. Or when the pictures were taken, excuse me.
Oh wow. Lots of history. Yeah, I'm telling you.
5-2 Riddance at column 9, 2nd floor.
Yep. And then all that.
And it wasn't done till a month later. Or year, sorry.
And then it has here the trades. What? Oh my god. How did I know that was going to be a pun intended right there? Trade. There's more pictures on the wall. Yep.
It's wonder of the world. Is it really?
If it says so, then I would
I
say.
have to believe it.
Alright. Let's see what's out here. Oh wait, isn't that? Yeah, we already saw this.
Yes.
Oh. Oh, down there, yes. I really like the pictures that they show. Oh, I guess people. Yep. These are the main reason why it's here today.
That's amazing. Superintendent.
Very informative. You learn something new every day, people. Remember that. Observatory. Oh, elevator to 86th floor. Yeah, but first we gotta look out these windows.
Was it a shop?
I guess so. Alright. Alright, let's choose an open window. Here we go.
You see Freedom Tower anywhere?
I don't think I see it yet.
Fuck, we were really high up. Fuck, we were really high up. Look, the clouds are even covering that top part.
That's not the Freedom Tower, is it?
Is it? No, I don't think
Can't
so.
be. Don't be afraid. You're with me. Nothing bad's gonna happen.
I know, but I always feel like, you know, looking at something so high, like I'm gonna fall right through the floor or something.
Babe, window, 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 window,
I've always felt
window.
this. Don't pick on my fear.
It's a window.
You know, you're me.
But you love me.
Yes, I do.
See?
So mean, though.
Oh, babe. Alright, so let's see what's in here.
Empire Building exclusive. Oh, it's a shop.
Oh, wow. Yeah, look, it's an official store.
You should get mom something.
Yeah, we should. Alright, so I guess we could look around in the store a little bit and then we'll... Oh, we're just gonna go in the store first? Okay.
Coming down.
Oh, that's the exit?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Thank you.
So when we come back down, we'll take a look.
Alright, so we'll be back.
And more ear pops.
Welcome to 86 guys this way.
Great.
Enjoy.
Thank you. Okay. Observation deck. Welcome. Thank you. So
Yeah,
yeah.
this is where we would have looked outside.
Yeah, we can.
They can. What? We got you. Okay, maybe it's good. Look at her umbrella.
Yeah, it's very windy.
We'll come higher up.
Should we? I don't know if we
Damn, but
should.
it's raining.
Why does rain have to... Rain has to always... So they have these, these binocular thingies.
I'll put my ticket away.
Oh.
I never put it away.
So they show everything here. Well, we could see the Freedom Tower if we go outside.
Hey, look.
Oh, hi.
I'm vlogging here.
Yeah, we're vlogging here. Alright, so I guess we'll walk down a little bit.
Careful, I think that's the way out.
Is it?
I don't know. I'm not looking to go around a complete circle.
Well, this is the south of the Empire State Building.
I can not.
So this is like... You know what? Do you want to wait in here and I'll attempt to go out?
You're insane.
I am insane, but have no fear. I have, if I can reach it, a hood. Help. A hoodie.
Give me.
Alright. As she
I
tries...
know what you did.
What?
You put it on your,
Oh,
the strap of your backpack.
there we go. Alright, so I'll be outside, so you'll wait in here?
Okay.
Alright. I'll be right back. Alright. Alright. So, I could barely see a thing out here. Fun fact, guys, that if you throw a penny down the Empire State Building, you know that it could actually kill somebody. Fun fact you should know about the Empire State Building. Now, I am trying to cover the mic and see what I can get out here. I have a funny feeling I'm going to be going back in. But yeah, so this is the outside. Yeah, I could barely see a thing. Like, we are seriously at the top of the Empire State Building. Like, that's historical right here, people. Alright. Woo! Windy. Let's see. There's Madison Square Garden again. Oh, and there's Ellie. Hi, babe. Why did the fog have to come this day? Oh, look, there's Macy's. It's all the way down there. Huh. Oh, don't want a photobomb. Yeah, look at that. Just white. Yeah, really sorry, guys. I wish I could show the whole city, but yeah, I think I'm gonna go back inside. Oh, thank you. Couldn't see a thing.
Hold on. There's a raindrop on the net.
Oh, let me just fix that. Better?
I don't know. You tell me.
I think it's better.
Your lens is still wet. Lens is still wet.
Alright, so I'll wash my shirt. Ah, that's better. Well, it was interesting.
I can't wait to see that.
Yeah, I couldn't see a thing out there. I mean, whoa. And I almost took a slip and slide.
It's so cloudy.
Okay, very.
You want to go around? We'll go around this way. Rain.
So much rain.
Well, let this be a remembrance that we're vlogging in the rain. Just let that be a remembrance. Whoa, it's very slippery. Look at that. Sorry, babe. Nah, like I hope. Like I did get some parts. I mean, some that we already saw.
It's fine.
So
We can come back here on a day, you know, we're not here for an anniversary or something, and make it a second
a
date.
vlog return, maybe.
Second date.
Well, we've
Second
gone on
date
more,
to the Empire State Building.
and this time you will know. I like that. You will know.
Don't do that.
Alright, so we're just
but
gonna take
this
some
is great.
pictures. So I guess we'll go to the shop next.
Yeah, we gotta.
Yeah.
It's either up or down.
I don't
And
know.
there's no more up right now.
I feel so bad that I false advertised that we thought we were gonna choose floors and we didn't.
Good job.
Well, first time in the Empire State Building, shame on me. So bad me, bad. I'm hitting myself. I know, it's weird. All right, so anything you have to say before I cut off and we go to the next thingamajigger?
Rain is evil.
Yeah. All right, guys. So hang tight. We will be back for something else. See you there. Okay, so now we are in not whacking in the Empire State Building shop. Oh wow, look at these pictures.
It's the posters and all the
Yeah, at least we get the whole city through here.
That's beautiful. I want this one. Look at
Want
this
this
book.
one?
Yeah, look at it. It's nice.
Yeah.
And then that's old timey looking. Actually, wait, how old is that one?
Hey, check this out, babe. The Empire. What?
That one I think is.
No.
Okay, good.
Yeah. So look at these. Wow. Empire
It's all
replicas.
wireframing. Look at
So let's take a look. Oh,
this.
this.
We met King Kong, by the way.
Yeah, we did have pictures of that. Really nice guy, I must say. Okay, so I'm gonna look around here.
Have you had enough snow?
Really?
Have you had enough snow?
I think we had enough snow for 1 year. Alright. So I'm going to try to walk this way because she's too fascinated with everything. Can't take her anywhere. Really, can't take you anywhere. Oh wow.
Magnets.
Jeez. Magnets.
Yeah.
Lots and
Oh,
lots
look at
of
this one. Look at
magnets.
this one. It's one of those ones where you move.
Gee. Got some shirts. Oh my god, I'm telling you, King Kong is following me everywhere. He must like my channel for some reason. What?
The shirt's all bedazzled.
Yeah, oldies music. So, yeah, I was waiting for the lens to focus a little bit. So wow, they got nice t-shirts, glass mugs, hats, everything. 50% off on these. Wow. That's nice. Wow, these are real antiques. I'm saying wow so much today. I noticed that.
Shot.
No, no shots.
Yes, shot.
Yeah, but excuse my wows. I'm just amazed because, like I said before, first time here is just really amazing.
Nothing on my mind, okay?
sorry I cut it off abruptly there. We couldn't film inside the store.
Foiled, okay.
However, we just finished having a nice meal at Wendy's.
Nom 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 nom.
And
Sorta.
since-
We're not done.
Yeah, and since now we could use a camera without being stopped, I'm going to do a little bit of a haul of what we got. So I'm going to start off with, well, I'll say the best for last. Ellie got herself this little kitty of the Empire State Building thing.
It's cute.
I thought that was actually really nice.
What are you doing?
I'm showing stuff. And here, I got 2 magnets
Crotch shot.
of the Empire State Building in memorial that we've been there. I've been there. Remember that. I was there, and so was she. Okay, moving on.
Who?
That-
There's no one behind me.
And also for my teacher, I got her this. I call her Miss Kim, but you know, Kimberly, I call her something. So I'm gonna put these back. But the experience there, I have to say, was really awesome, including the adventure when I went outside looking. I hope you guys heard what I said, because if you didn't, I was giving a little history fact that if you drop a penny on top of the Empire State Building, it could kill somebody. I advise you not to do that.
Do it anyway.
Don't do it!
Do it anyway.
You're encouraging them, babe. Stop it.
I know. That's the whole point.
And also, since tomorrow is Mother's Day, as we speak, this might be uploaded the day after. I got her this. And if I could open...
Dude, I'm trying to show the fucking picture.
Salty.
Salty? What the?
And I'll show you what it looks like, actually. Or if I
It's kind
could.
of covered right now, babe.
Alright, well...
They saw the picture in the box.
Yeah, well, it plays the New York by Frank Sinatra. Just blast the picture that's in here.
It was a packet. And when we got our picture taken,
Yeah.
there's a
So,
CD, I don't know what's on there.
Yeah,
a
and
thing.
in here is our picture that we took earlier. And this came out really nice. And it has the date too. See?
May 13th.
I didn't lie to you when it said it was May 13th. And then
cute.
what else was there?
I don't think it's a book. I think that's a place to
Oh,
put
look
the
at this.
picture.
A scenic view of Times Square from the top of the Empire State Building.
Nice.
That is nice. Can't wait to share that with us for the rest of our lives. And yeah.
I'm thirsty.
So that will be all for our 3-year anniversary video of us on top of the Okay. So, as always, just don't forget that.
What are you doing?
Oh, I'm just getting this out. Just just keep spinning.
I thought you had that in your back pocket.
It's magic.
Confiscated.
Anyway, yeah. So that'll be all.
Now I have 2.
Now you have 2. She scares me sometimes. Alright, so I'm DudeOfRock18, and she's my girlfriend Ellie, pokemonnarutofan10 for years. And yeah, I didn't hear your thoughts. What were your thoughts on Empire State Building?
I've been high up, but I enjoyed it.
And this was on 5th Avenue, by the way, because the rain was just... We're going to revisit, definitely. We'll definitely
I
revisit.
love how you couldn't remember where the Empire State Building was.
The rain did that.
Sure it did. Sure it did. Had I known what the surprise was, which I didn't until I guessed last minute, I could have told you, hey, why don't we go this way?
Alright, so I can't wait to edit all this together and see how it came out.
Crazy.
Alright, so for May 13th, 2017, take care. Hope all of you mothers out there have a happy Mother's Day. Next
the
day,
14th.
for the 14th. I'll see you guys there. So take care and rock on. Later, guys.
Dankeschön.
Shit.
Merci. 감사합니다.
Thank you.